Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Madison Middle School, home of the Mustangs, part of the Vista Unified School District in Oceanside, California. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time this school year to all the AM, PM after school students and staff here in the library. And today's topic was a brand new one on citizenship, right? And the sub-theme was at school, home, and community. And so we know that we are all called to be great citizens of this world, like one of the pictures from the slideshow presentation that accompanies the program that I do. And, if we can, step into just being a good person, right? Being a good human being. It's how we start to kind of uplift humanity, right? How we kind of uplift each other, just like you see in the photo. And there was a lot of pin drop moments with the students today where they took a lot to heart. A lot of them remember my previous visits and the other topics that we've spoken on in the past, but I try to keep it very real with them, very raw, and it's basically sharing my heart and trying to come down to the heart level. And citizenship does kind of circle back to us thinking about what we want to be remembered for, and that we're doing actions, saying things, helping other people around us, that people really think of us, in a positive manner. And it's not easy to do, to always maintain that positivity, to always, put forth the extra effort to go and do something positive for this world, but it's so needed, right? And one of the greatest gifts that we can give someone else, what I mentioned in today's talk, is time, right? That it's something we can never get back. It's the most precious gift out there. And if we decide to give our time to someone else or to a certain thing, a certain cause, it's basically saying, I'm giving you, the greatest thing that I can possibly give you. And so many times you hear people say, well, I don't have time, but you can always make time. If it's important enough, you can take the few seconds or the minutes or the hour, whatever it is, to really devote to that individual, right? And, I think to myself, I usually have 35 minutes with some schools or these programs themselves. And those 35 minutes I can never get back. Those, the people that listen can never get back, but it's a shared understanding and this mutual idea of respect. And it's something that hopefully we make the most of all the time that we have, right? Life has no guarantees. And some of the stories I shared, the heartfelt messages, the inspirational video, the spoken word poetry, all of that centered around this collective purpose and this shared purpose of really working together to try and change this world, right? And leave these heart prints on other people around us. And so this ties into the concept that I also bring up in every single session that I do, and that's that we're all true miracles, right? Like the M on our hands, I traced one of mine here, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. And this M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, the one I wear for this particular presentation. Upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, now it's our job to go be that light to someone else's heart, right? And again, it's this idea that, we think about what we're passionate about, what we're really good at, what we love to do, and then we can hopefully utilize those gifts to go and assist others, to support others, to lift them up even higher than us. And we also have to have that desire, though, to go and do that, right? And to go and utilize our passions, but also we then have to go and actually do it, right? So it's one thing to know what we're passionate about. It's another thing to want to make a difference. But then the third part of the equation is now we have to actually have our actions match our words, right? It's easy to say, I want to be kind. I want to change things. I want to, really do things that are going to make an impact, a positive one. But unless we go and do it, then we haven't really fulfilled, our purpose or really been the citizens that we're capable of being. So that's what today's program was all about. And again, just another great opportunity. This is my final school for California for 2025 for this year, not the school year, but just the calendar year. So to end here, where I've been multiple times in years past, it was very special. And look forward to returning. I'll be back 2 more times in 2026. So look forward to seeing you all soon. Until then, though, just keep being those amazing citizens that this world desperately needs. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.